That small, cluttered Florida pantry isn't just a headache, it's a constant struggle. But what if the right design could increase its usable space by up to 50%? Because in Florida, you're fighting more than just limited space. You're fighting relentless humidity. A real solution has to defeat both problems at once through smart design and material choice. We'll show you the specific layouts and materials that make a pantry hyper-organized and humidity-proof. First, standard shelving wastes potential. Custom solutions are built to fit your pantry's exact dimensions, wall to wall. Second, go vertical. Floor-to-ceiling shelving uses empty wall space and dramatically increases your storage capacity. Third, your needs will change. Adjustable shelves let you reconfigure your space for bulk items or new appliances. Don't overlook the door. Simple racks here can hold spices in jars, freeing up significant shelf space. You've maximized your walls and doors. But have you considered the layout itself? How you arrange shelves is critical. Corners are typically dead zones. Custom units, like Lazy Susans or angled shelves, turn this wasted area into highly efficient storage. This is where that 50% increase comes from. It's not magic, it's geometry. You add a new column of storage where there was only air. A U-shaped layout gives you 3 walls of storage and can even include a countertop for staging groceries or small appliances. These layouts are brilliant, but they fail if they warp in 6 months. So, what materials can actually withstand Florida's climate? Deep shelves hide items. Pull-out drawers bring the back of the pantry to you, making sure nothing gets lost or forgotten. The structure is now perfect. But how do we protect the food inside from that same humidity? The fight isn't over. Your first defense: get rid of cardboard. Transferring goods into airtight containers keeps them fresh and safe from moisture and pests. Using clear containers lets you see exactly what you have instantly. This simple step prevents overbuying and reduces food waste. Remember our question about materials? Here's the answer. Standard particle board will swell. You need materials built for moisture. The professional's choice is marine-grade plywood. It uses a waterproof adhesive that stops layers from separating in high humidity. Another great option is melamine, or high-density laminate. Their non-porous surfaces block water and are mold-resistant. The right materials are your defense. But what if you could go on offense against the humidity? You can control the air itself. Even with great materials, stagnant air promotes mold. Simple vents or a small dehumidifier will ensure proper air circulation. Now, custom sounds expensive, but it isn't. A small walk-in can range from $750 to $2,000, a direct investment in your home. Think about the cost of spoiled food and rebuying lost items. A well-designed pantry saves money and time in the long run. We've covered layout, materials, and climate. But what are the small, inexpensive additions that make a pantry truly exceptional? Now, let's see what happens when we put all these individual pieces together into one cohesive system. Imagine that U-shaped layout we discussed, built from the marine-grade plywood that defies humidity. This creates ultimate durability. Now, add the pull-out drawers, but fill them with those clear, airtight containers. Every item is now protected and instantly visible. To answer our last question, the detail with the biggest impact is lighting. Motion-activated LED strips illuminate every corner. And the final touch is a simple labeling system. This removes all guesswork and makes finding anything effortless. A small pantry in a humid climate is not a permanent problem. It is a design challenge with clear, achievable solutions. By using vertical design, conquering corners, choosing climate-ready materials, and integrating smart storage, you transform a cluttered, frustrating space into an organized, efficient, and protected hub for your home. Your ideal pantry isn't out of reach. It's just waiting for the right design to bring it to life.